I recently came across a tool that will do all of the hard work for you and allow you to earn thousands of dollars in passive income again and again without having to complete any boring offers or surveys, without doing any hard work at all, and with no filming of any videos. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so for today, I have a different strategy to make money online, to say the least. As you can see, I am now on YouTube, but I really want you guys to keep watching because even though you can make money using YouTube with this strategy, as you will soon find out, YouTube is far from the only platform through which you can get paid. With that being said, I'm on YouTube now because I want to talk about the YouTube cash cow, and I'll use this hugely popular YouTube channel Brightside as an example. What cash cow basically is someone on YouTube uploading and making money off of videos that they've not made themselves because they've paid someone else to do that for them. What many people on YouTube do, for example, is go on People Per Hour or Fiverr.com and then pay people on those websites to literally create videos for them, including the editing, voiceover, everything. And what they would do then is upload those videos on YouTube and enjoy the profits. The most obvious benefit of doing that is that those people who actually own the YouTube channel literally don't do a thing, and they're making a lot of money while not investing more than $1,000 to $2,000 a month. There are people that are making anywhere from $5,000 a month all the way up to $100,000 a month, and more doing nothing, which is crazy when you think about it. With that brief explanation out of the way, let me clarify this. You will not be paying people to create YouTube videos for you. Main reason being is that it's extremely expensive to do so. Just take a look at this. This person I found on Fiverr will create 10 meditation videos, which are simple and easy to create, by the way, for $60. 20 videos is $110, 30 videos is $160, and as you can see by these reviews, there are a lot of people buying from just this one example I'm showing you guys. That's one out of over 70,000 people who will create a YouTube video for you on Fiverr alone. That first example, though, is far from the only one and is actually quite cheap. This person here charges $300 for 7 videos and $900 for 21 videos. So as you can see, these people are making a lot of money on Fiverr here, and their services are not cheap, which is why I said previously that you will not be paying anyone to create any kind of videos for you. What will you do then in order to get paid? Why did I go over the YouTube cash cow business model with you guys if that's not what you'll be doing? Well, here's why. I have a tool to show you later on in this tutorial that will do all of the work for you. And by work, I mean creating a video for you with the voiceover on top. What this means is that you can be like some of those people I've just shown you. You can offer your services for creating videos and charge a lot of money, and thus earn a lot of money. Or what you can also do as well is create a YouTube channel and create videos on your channel with the aforementioned software. As I said prior, you can, but don't have to make money with YouTube. What I would recommend you guys do is a mix of both. Create a YouTube channel, but also make money offering your services. And as far as the latter is concerned, you don't want to offer your services on Fiverr. As you've seen it yourselves, it's just too competitive. As such, you'll want to use some other freelancing platforms. The ones I recommend the most are as follows: peopleperhour.com, freelancer.com, guru.com, legit.com, and last but not least, seoclerk.com. You will want to sign up to all of these platforms, a process which I won't go over because that will prolong this video too much. And what you will then do is just create a gig offering your services and wait for your first customer. If you don't want to wait for the customer but you want to get work right away, what you can do is go to People Per Hour, click on Search here, and then select Search Projects. And on the following page, just type in "create YouTube video" or something like that, and you'll be able to find people who need a YouTube video created for them. And in this fashion, you could still make a bit of money until you get some customers reaching out to you on all of the aforementioned freelancing sites. Once that happens, once some people reach out to you, you will head over to a site called invideo.io. This is the tool I told you guys about prior that will do everything for you. Even though it sounds too good to be true, this can create an entire video for you with a voiceover on top in literally 5 minutes, as is said right here. This is all possible thanks to the fact that this site has over 5,000 templates to offer its users, which are all fully customizable, and I will show you that in a second. Before I do so though, I need to go over this platform's pricing, because this obviously isn't free. But as you can see on this page, even though this website is not free, it's extremely cheap considering what they offer. The most expensive monthly package is $60. Meanwhile, that is how much money people on Fiverr are charging for just a few videos created, meaning that even if you pay this site the maximum amount they charge, you will still be able to easily make a lot of money. The best part about this site, however, isn't the fact that it isn't expensive. It's that it offers a free trial. In other words, you guys don't have to invest a single dollar up front. What I would recommend you do first is create gigs on a few of those freelancing platforms and then wait for your customer. And only when that customer reaches out to you will you sign up to InVideo's free trial here. You will then go ahead and create the video, get paid, and then take that money and just reinvest it into this site. And you'll be able to use it for an entire month. After some time passes, what I would recommend you guys do is go for the annual payment option, because as you can see, it will give a 100% discount, significantly reducing the amount of money you will have to invest. Anyhow, with all of that said and done, guys, what you will need to do when you come on this platform is sign up to the free trial, as I said before. To do that, just click on Sign Up, it's free, right here, and then go ahead and enter in all of your info and create an account. When you log in, this is how everything will look, and let me now show you just how simple and easy it is to create a video using this tool. The first thing you'll have to do is choose a template. Depending on what your customer is asking of you, you will choose any one of these. What you can also do is type in the search bar here what you need. In case you need to create an intro for someone, you can search for that. Either way, once you provide something you think is nice, you just have to click on it, and you'll now be able to preview the template. If you like what you see, you will need to just choose the size of the video and then click on Use this template. Doing just that will take you over to the editor, and it's in the editor where you will obviously edit and customize your new video. And it's also in the editor where you can add a voiceover, as you can see, meaning that you don't have to do the voiceover yourself or pay someone to do it for you. InVideo has got you covered. On the left-hand side here, you can see that you can choose another template if you so wish. You can add in videos, as you can see, and a really great feature is that you can add in your own videos as well, not just the ones InVideo is offering. Apart from that, you can add in photos, change or add the music, and so much more. And once your video is done, you will just click on Download and Share in the upper right corner here to finish the process. Now, with that said, I did not cover this in great detail because InVideo has tutorials, as you can see, and because I don't want to prolong this video too much. For those of you who want to make even more money, then be sure to check out one of the 2 videos visible on the screen right now. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, then be sure to leave a thumbs up below. I really appreciate it. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.